You're on.
Okay, let's do the arterial flow again. So in this model here, we're looking at the ascending aorta coming up and again forming the aortic arch. Now what's difficult about this model is it's actually going into the model, so we can't see things very well. But we're just doing the arterial side. So that first branch that's coming off right here, okay, it's going to be the brachiocephalic. Now that's going to branch off into the right subclavian coming off here in this direction, and then the right common carotid, and then coming up in through here. Okay, over here, like my next one, I can see the left common carotid coming up in this fashion here. And again, both of these carotids are parallel in the trachea. And then right back here, you can't see it very well, but right there is the right subclavian. Okay, and both of those subclavians, you would then have axillary and then the brachial going down alongside the humerus. You can't see this, but you've got a descending aorta. So here's my diaphragm, again, back behind here, but you can see the aorta again popping through. So now here's the diaphragm. So now this section is the abdominal aorta. I can't see the thoracic because it's back behind, but the first branch coming off would be the celiac trunk that you see right here. On the human, it's going to have those three branches, the left gastric, common hepatic, and the splenic. Okay. The next unpaired branch coming off would be the superior mesenteric that you see right here. Okay. Below it would be the paired renals. Now this model doesn't show it, but it's going to be underneath, okay, these two renal veins, underneath here and underneath here. I can see one on this side, and I can see a little remnant of one, or a little piece of one right there. The next single branch coming off would be the inferior mesenteric that was going to the lower sigmoid colon, rectum, descending a large intestine, those types of structures. Okay, then we get this bifurcation right here. Okay, this is the right and left common iliac, where it makes its first split going down deep, okay, to these deep reproductive structures. This would be the internal iliac artery, and then continues on down as the external iliac artery. When it passes through the abdominal pelvic cavity and enters out in this way, it now becomes the femoral artery.